Ever wondered why relaxation and self-care are so crucial in our lives? Well, it's because they're key to our overall well-being and mental health. When we take time for ourselves, we're not being selfish, but rather nurturing our body and mind. One perfect example of this is self-massage. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help melt away stress and anxiety, leaving us feeling rejuvenated. Now imagine being able to provide yourself with a relaxing massage anytime, anywhere. Sounds good, right? Self-massage is a simple and effective way to relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. This scene is all about guiding you through this relaxing process. Let's start with the preparation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus on yourself without any distractions. This could be your bedroom, living room, or even a peaceful corner in your backyard. The key is to find a place where you feel at ease. Next, you'll want to make sure you're comfortable. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or even lie down, depending on the areas you want to massage. Now let's talk about techniques. The magic of self-massage lies in the fact that you know your body better than anyone else. You know where those pesky knots and tension spots are. Start by applying gentle pressure to these areas. You can use your fingers, knuckles, or even a tennis ball to do this. Try using circular motions, pressing into the muscle and then releasing. This technique, often called effleurage, is great for warming up the muscles and promoting relaxation. Don't forget to breathe deeply as you massage. This will help you stay focused and enhance the relaxing effect of the massage. Another technique you can use is petrissage, which involves kneading the muscles, much like you would knead dough. This is great for deeper tension and can be particularly effective on the shoulders and back. If you find a particularly tense spot, don't be afraid to spend a little extra time there. The aim is to work through the tension, not rush through the process. Consider using a massage oil or lotion to enhance the experience. These can provide additional comfort and make the massage feel smoother. Choose something with a scent that you find relaxing to add an extra layer of tranquility to your self-massage. Finally, remember to be gentle with yourself. Self-massage should never cause pain. If something hurts, ease up on the pressure or move on to a different area. Remember, the goal is to feel relaxed and comfortable, so take your time and enjoy the process. So, what have we learned today? The importance of self-care cannot be overstated, and taking the time to relax is key to maintaining balance. Self-massage is an easy, yet powerful tool to achieve this. Remember the steps we discussed: locating the tense areas, applying pressure, and using smooth circular movements. With these simple steps, you now hold the power to give yourself a relaxing massage. So take a moment for self-care, because you deserve it.